Four-wheel drives don't always cut it in the snow, and even the best snow and mud tyres will eventually get stuck. But no matter how good your tyres are, you are never going to match the traction and flotation of a tracked vehicle, or an add-on system such as Track and Go. The symmetrical design of the tracks provides the same performance going in forwards or reverse, which means you can steer normally and even do a 3-point turn in deep snow. The tracks have plates mounted on the front and rear which act like skis, preventing the tracks from diving in deep snow, and will allow you to easily overcome obstacles such as snowbanks. Now there are other systems that allow you to replace your wheels with tracks, but this system allows you to quick and easily add them onto the wheels you already have in about 15 minutes, with no modifications needed to your vehicle. Because the tracks are held in place by the tyre, they provide a smooth ride on hard surfaces. When the track hits an obstacle, the impact is absorbed by the tyre, which makes Track and Go a lot smoother of a ride than a conventional track system fixed to the vehicle. Even though the tracks were designed for snow, because the tracks are rubber, you can drive on various surfaces, such as sand, gravel, light mud, and even roads. Track and Go is practically the only system available that can be used on all surfaces. On hard surfaces or roads, vehicles can reach up to 60 km per hour, while on snow, speeds can vary from 15 to 40 km per hour, depending on the thickness of snow. Because you don't have to remove your wheels to fit the tracks, and you can fit them in about 15 minutes, and still drive your car normally and at speed, it makes for a great solution in those parts of the world susceptible to snow during winter. I'm just thankful I live in Australia, where it doesn't snow in our cities or suburbs. I guess that's one of the reasons why they call it the lucky country.